I think that most people do not sort of realize that every tangible object, every piece of food they consume was most likely in a truck before it got to them.
The growth in population in this country and the need for the movement of goods and services is literally going to overwhelm the infrastructure as we know it today.
One component of the network shuts down and it impacts the rest of the network. It's that fragile. I mean, we're on that close of a sliver of the transportation system working as people want it to work.
Particularly as we've moved to a world of Amazon Prime and deliveries as opposed to making our own personal trips, we don't think about the truck traffic that causes.
Basically, to the general public, we are invisible unless something goes wrong.
We're now investing a smaller percentage of our gross domestic product in transportation infrastructure than many third world countries.
We're on a path that is not a sustainable path on how we can move all this freight and have this quality of life that we have as Americans. You can't sit idly by and just say, well, it'll all work out, because it won't.